Website. As of 2025, websites can be categorized into several primary types, each with distinct usage statistics. Social media websites and apps. These platforms facilitate social networking and content sharing. In India, 71% of respondents reported using social media websites and apps, making it the most utilized category. E-commerce websites, platforms that enable online shopping for goods and services. The global retail e-commerce sales reached $6.31 trillion in 2023, highlighting the significant role of e-commerce websites in the digital economy. News and media websites, sites providing news articles, reports, and multimedia content. These platforms account for approximately 6% of the total time users spend on the top 10,000 websites globally, with an average visit duration of about 4.5 minutes. Educational websites. Resources offering online courses, tutorials, and learning materials. The demand for educational websites has surged, especially with the rise of remote learning, providing flexible and accessible education opportunity entertainment websites, platforms for streaming videos, music, gaming, and other leisure activities. These sites capture close to 24% of the total time spent on the top 10,000 websites, reflecting their popularity among users seeking entertainment. Blogging websites, personal or professional platforms where individuals or groups share articles, opinions, and stories. As of 2024, there are over 600 million blogs on the internet, indicating a vast and diverse blogging community. Health and wellness websites, sites focused on fitness, nutrition, mental health, and overall well-being. The increasing public interest in health has led to a proliferation of websites dedicated to providing reliable health information and resources. Job search websites, platforms that connect job seekers with potential employers, offering listings and application tools. These websites have become essential in the modern job market, especially with the growing trend of remote work and gig economy opportunities. Travel websites, resources for booking flights, accommodations, and planning trips. Travel websites offer comprehensive tools and information for travelers, facilitating the planning and booking process. Government websites, official portals providing information and services from governmental bodies. These websites serve as critical access points for citizens to engage with government services, obtain information, and perform administrative tasks online. These categories represent the diverse ways in which users engage with online content and services, each playing a significant role in the digital landscape. Here's a breakdown of website categories along with the common technologies used for each. 1. Social media websites. Examples: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Technologies used: front-end, React.js, Vue.js, Angular backend, Node.js, Django, Ruby on Rails. Database: MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Hosting: AWS, Google Cloud, Azure. Second, e-commerce websites. Examples: Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Flipkart. Technologies used: front-end, React.js, Vue.js, jQuery. Backend: Node.js, Ruby on Rails, PHP, Laravel. Database: MySQL, PostgreSQL, Firebase, CMS and platforms, Magento, WooCommerce, Shopify. Payment processing: Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay 3. News and media websites. Examples: BBC, CNN, The New York Times. Technologies used: front-end, React.js, Angular, Next.js. Backend: WordPress, PHP, Node.js. Database: MySQL, MongoDB, CDN for speed, Cloudflare, Akamai 4. Educational websites. Examples: Udemy, Coursera, Khan Academy. Technologies used: front-end, React.js, Angular, Vue.js. Backend: Django, Ruby on Rails, Laravel. Database: PostgreSQL, Firebase LMS. Learning management systems: Moodle, Teachable. 5. Entertainment websites. Examples: Netflix, YouTube, Spotify. Technologies used: front-end, React.js, Vue.js, Angular backend, Node.js, Django, Ruby on Rails. Database: Cassandra, Firebase, PostgreSQL. Streaming technologies: WebRTC, HLS, HTTP live streaming, -6. Blogging websites. Examples: Medium, WordPress blogs, Substack. Technologies used: Front-end, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js. Backend, WordPress, PHP, Ghost, Node.js. Database, MySQL, SQLite, CMS platforms, WordPress, Ghost, Blogger. 7. Health and wellness websites. Examples, WebMD, MyFitnessPal. Headspace Technologies. Used, front-end, React.js, Angular backend, Django, Ruby on Rails, PHP database, PostgreSQL, Firebase AI and chatbots, TensorFlow, Dialogflow 8. Job search websites. Examples, LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor Technologies. Used, front-end, React.js, Next.js, backend, Node.js, Django, PHP, database, Elasticsearch, MySQL AI for job matching, machine learning, Python, TensorFlow. 9. Travel websites. Examples, Expedia, Booking.com, Airbnb Technologies. Used, front-end, React.js, Vue.js, Next.js, backend, Node.js, PHP, Django. Database, PostgreSQL, Firebase mapping and geolocation, Google Maps, API, OpenStreetMap. 10.
Government websites. Examples, irs.gov, nhs.uk, India's Digital Seva Technologies. Used, front-end, Angular, React.js, Bootstrap. Backend, Java, Spring, Boot.net, PHP database, PostgreSQL, Oracle DB security, HTTPS, multi-factor authentication, blockchain for records.
It depends on what kind of website you want to build. Here's a breakdown of the best platforms, tools, and technologies based on different needs. 1. E-commerce website. Best platforms, Shopify, easy to use, best for small businesses. WooCommerce, WordPress plugin, good for WordPress-based stores. Magento, best for large-scale e-commerce. BigCommerce, scalable solution with built-in SEO tools. TechStack, front-end, React.js, Vue.js, Tailwind, CSS. Backend, Node.js, Laravel, PHP, Django, Python. Database, MySQL, PostgreSQL payments, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay. Hosting, AWS, Vercel, Netlify. 2. Blog or content-based website, best platforms, WordPress, the most popular blogging platform. Ghost, lightweight and modern alternative. Medium and Substack, best for writing without hosting headaches. TechStack, if building from scratch. Front-end, Next.js, Gatsby.js, HTML plus CSS plus JavaScript. Backend, WordPress, PHP, Ghost, Node.js. Database, MySQL, SQLite. Hosting, Bluehost, SiteGround, Vercel 3. Social media or community website, best platforms, Mastodon. Open source alternative to Twitter, X. BuddyPress, WordPress plugin to build a community. Discourse, best for forums and discussions. TechStack, front-end, React.js, Vue.js, Angular backend, Node.js, Django, Ruby on Rails, database, PostgreSQL, Firebase, real-time features, WebSockets, Firebase Firestore 4. Educational website or LMS, learning management system. Best platforms, Moodle, open source LMS. Teachable, for online courses. Thinkific, no-code course building platform. TechStack, front-end, Next.js, React.js, Bootstrap. Backend, Django, Python, Node.js. Database, PostgreSQL, Firebase Video. Hosting, Vimeo, YouTube API 5. News and media website. Best platforms, newspaper WordPress with custom themes. Best for news portals. Ghost, best for independent news writers. Drupal, enterprise-level CMS for news agencies. TechStack, front-end, React.js, Next.js, Tailwind, CSS. Backend, WordPress, PHP, Node.js. Database, MySQL, MongoDB ad monetization, Google AdSense, Ezoic 6, job search or business directory website. Best platforms, WordPress plus WP Job Manager, Simple Job Board, building LinkedIn API plus custom development - advanced job matching. TechStack, front-end, Next.js, Vue.js, backend, Node.js, Django. Database, Elasticsearch for search, PostgreSQL AI for job matching, TensorFlow, OpenAI API 7, travel and booking website. Best platforms: WordPress plus WP Travel Engine, simple travel booking. Laravel plus custom API Dash for complex hotel booking. Airbnb style development requires custom coding. Tech stack: front end, React.js, Vue.js. Backend: Node.js, Django database, PostgreSQL Google Maps API for geolocation. 8. Government and non-profit websites. Best platforms: Drupal, secure and scalable. Joomla, best for nonprofits. Tech stack: front end, Bootstrap, React.js. Backend: Java Spring, Boot.net. Database: Oracle DB, PostgreSQL security, SSL, multi-factor authentication. 9. Entertainment and streaming websites. Best platforms: YouTube and Twitch APIs, if embedding videos. Custom WebRTC development, if building a live streaming platform. Tech stack: front end, React.js, Next.js. Backend: Node.js, Django database, Firebase, MongoDB. Streaming: WebRTC, HLS, Dash, Final Thoughts for beginners. Use WordPress, Shopify, or Wix for developers. Use React.js, Next.js, Node.js, or Django for scalability. Use AWS, Firebase, and AI tools. Thanking you, Srijon Technologies. Technology for next generation.